How to flip image in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your Play Store application and then search for Canva just to make sure you have an updated version of the Canva application. Here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Canva application. So we're going to tap on open, and as I tap on open, here as you can see I've already selected an image over here to get it flipped. So you just need to tap on the picture that you want to flip, and here at the bottom you can see different menus. So just drag it to the left and you can see the option of flip over here. So you can just tap on flip and you can select between two options, flip horizontal or flip vertical. I'm going to select on flip vertical over here, and after that I'm just going to go back. And there you go. You can just make necessary edits, and that's how you can flip image in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.